my Godwin Simbarashe Gomwe was seriously bungled by the unworthy, insulting, very provocative words uttered by William Gerald Mtumbanje Lumumba. It is now vivid that he, Lumumba, is an ex-ZANU-PF gold digger. He had always had a personal vendetta against the ruling party of ZANU-PF. Viva Zimbabwe verbally harassed and peddled wild allegations towards His Excellency Comrade R.G. Mugabe and the First Family.
Is crushing other people's ideas because you don't believe the job can be done. I ask of you one thing, to get out of the way for those of us who believe it can be done.
These are all wild accusations without a shred of evidence to substantiate the claims. Lumumba has no political footprints in the history of ZANU-PF. He only emerged in Harare province in 2013 harmonized elections. He was just fixed kupinda nepadumu. Was not a member of any other provinces. He has no ZANU-PF background. His Excellency deserves a significant respect from all Zimbabweans and Africans as a whole for the considerable great leadership in freedom fighting during post-colonial and even after that.
We are not each other's enemy, nor are we each other's oppressor. I am putting a new deal on the table. Tinoshika kupi tichingoshandiswa nemachef. Iye anogara mumba yakanaka, iwo unakana gate. Iye anodya chikafu chinonaka, iwo kubatanidza kubika neparafini. Iye anofamba nemota, iwo utazotenga butsunyuwa. Iye chef vana vake avauye kurali. Vake vana avauye kurali. Asi vako vanofambiswa everyday vachinzi ande kurali. Sokukwanile madhodha, sokukwanile.
His CIA project has been seen forthcoming, and all his followers are all doomed and will deeply regret such a stunt they pulled yesterday. We all know your intentions of misinforming the fellow Zimbabweans, manipulating, misleading a band of headless people. Spare us the baseless accusations and directions grandstanding. Before you came to politics, you should revisit the history of Zimbabwe.
We honor and respect our war veterans for their selfless service, but no one who was willing to give up their life for this country should ever be treated the way ZANU-PF is treating its war veterans.
And quote that no one has ever verbally harassed the state president in public like that.
But you know, behind every man there is a woman. And I cannot dispute whatever rumors are circulating about her exercising her influence on the president. I think she's exploiting the healthy conditions of the president. So whatever Grace may be thinking or whatever she may have as an ambition, I think it will be an uphill task for her to fulfill those ambitions, especially if this is the ambition of promoting her own dynasty.
Dakati rimwe gore ndiri ndogani kati munhu uyu wapenga uyu. Imi mose mkandirambira imi. Ndakati ni mai vainyanyisa kupenga mumaraini. Mabhuku anoverenga vainzi marujata. Saka kaona marujata achipenga, imi musadzingirirawo nemi. Nokuti marujata unenge achidi achipenga. Vana mai vanoonekwa kuti ava ndi vana mai. Vana marujata vanodi?
You say to the president is the father. And now when the father does something wrong, will you be able to tell him he's wrong? So we're supposed to separate that respect. And they went overboard. They made him a god. And today it was that God who has made them redundant. Today look at the party. Today look at the country. I'm not so worried about ZANU-PF. I'm not in ZANU-PF. But I'm worried about the state of the economy, the state of the party. As you can see right now, because the party is the ruling party. And right now, the economy is not going anywhere. People are suffering.
join Viva Zimbabwe and lead me. Lead us in a direction you know better than most how to navigate. If it's a problem of my leadership, I'll make a better deal with you. You can come and lead instead. But what you cannot do is shy away from the responsibility that is now upon our generation to take over political office. Let's transition into a new deal. To the civil servants of this country, you are the backbone of this country. You are the most resolute people I have ever come across. You are the midwives, munobatsirana mai vedu, zuva nezuva, kuzvara vana. My headmaster, my teacher, akatidzidzisa chirungu chataku, vhaira nacho pasi rose. Mapurisa, anotichengetedza kubvira nekubvira mauto enyika, pamusana penyu, miganhu yeZimbabwe yakachengetedzeka munyika muno hamuna hondo.
Your connections to evil agents will cease because we will not recognize your Viva Zimbabwe in Harare and mostly in Zimbabwe as a nation. You clearly showed that don't you have any facts but just anger using vulgar speeches. So no normal person can support such rubbish. It is funny that Lumumba feels threatened, yet he is the one who is threatening the first family. Who does he think he is? And what does he think he can achieve by pulling public provocative speeches and threats like that? He has already stepped way offline and should be prepared for what the consequences of his actions.
Is crushing other people's ideas because you don't believe the job can be done. I ask of you one thing, to get out of the way for those of us who believe it can be done.